Hello everyone. Today I will introduce some of the sensor we haven't used in this course. We used with some sensors like IR sensor, moisture sensor, but there are also some sensors which you might need for your projects. So I will give you a short brief on those sensors. You can work with it. So this is the sensor. It's known as LDR. That means light dependent sensor resistance. So what it does? Well, when it comes to light, it actually works that time. So if you see a video clips of that, you will understand. So you see when the person gives his hand, the light turns on. So at the darkness, it works, and when it gets light, it will not work. So you see, when the room is completely dark, the light seems turned on. With the help of that LDR sensor, it can detect the darkness and the brightness. So now let's come to our next sensor. Well, this is known as gas sensor or smoke sensor, you can say whatever. This helps to detect smoke or gas from like lighter or even matchbox, or in the video you can see when it's come to the gas light, the red bulb turns on. That means it found some gases. If you look closer, when it gets the methane gas from the stove, when there's no gas, it's turned red. So another sensor, it's known as ultrasonic sensor or sonar sensor. This helps to detect or measure distance or detect obstacles in front of it. So it's mostly used for to measure something, the distance between the sensor and the things. So here you can say when I put something in front of the sensor, it gives me a value, how much far that object is. So the more closer the object, the more less the value of the distance. So this is how the ultrasonic sensor work. Well, this is the workflow of how ultrasonic sensor works. So you see there are two parts. With one part, it sends the signal of that object, and that signal reflected on the object and then again came back to the other sensor, and in between these times of the air, it calculates the distance between the object and the sensor. So that's all for today. I hope you will experiment with the other sensor we haven't covered up in the courses, and let us know how you feel and what you experienced using those sensors. Goodbye.